Good morning, children. We are going to do this new lesson 25 materials. This is on page number 41 of your GK book. So we are going to learn about different types of materials by which the things are made. You can see so many things around you, isn't it? Paper, pencil, cupboard, fridge, TV, all these things are made of different materials. So we are going to read now. Books are made of paper and sweaters are made of wool. Paper and wool are materials. So whatever is used to make the things is known as material. We make things with materials. Clay, wood, metal and rubber are other examples of materials. So here are some of the materials given. We will have to find out which material is this. Okay, these are jumbled letters and we have to find the name of the material. We will do this on the next page. Okay, first let me read this. Materials have different qualities. They can be hard or soft. So some materials are hard, मतलब कड़े होते हैं, और कुछ बहुत मुलायम होते हैं, सॉफ्ट होते हैं. स्ट्रॉन्ग और वीक, कुछ तो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं, टूटते ही नहीं है, और कुछ बहुत वीक होते हैं जो जल्दी से टूट जाते हैं. कुछ शाइनी होते हैं जिसमें बहुत शाइन करते हैं, और कुछ डल होते हैं जो बिल्कुल शाइन नहीं करते हैं. थिंग्स मेड फ्रॉम अ मटेरियल हैव इट्स क्वालिटीज. सो जो भी चीजें उन मटेरियल से बनी होती हैं वो उसी मटेरियल की तरह की होती हैं. जैसे सपोज कोई रबर है, इरेजर है, वो रबर से बनता है, तो वो सॉफ्ट होता है क्योंकि इरेजर जो है, जो रबर मटेरियल है, वो सॉफ्ट होता है. ठीक है. अब जो चीज मेटल से बनी होगी वो हार्ड होगी क्योंकि मेटल्स हार्ड होते हैं. सो द थिंग इज मेड ऑफ द मटेरियल, इट हैज द क्वालिटीज ऑफ दैट मटेरियल ओनली. नाउ वी विल रीड, सी द fill in the blanks. We will do them also on the next page. Okay children, so let's see. I have done this for you. You can see CYLA. So this will be CLAY, clay. Second one, this given jumbled letters are given. We have to solve them. So I have solved these for you. You will write in the same way in your books. See from this and write in your book. I have given PDF also. You can see from that PDF. So second one is WOOD, wood. METAL, metal. Metal is hard, so this is metal also is a material. These all are materials. Number D, GLASS, glass. Number E, STONE, stone. Number F, COTTON, cotton. Number G, RUBBER, rubber. Number H, PLASTIC, plastic. So these are the materials, and now we will do these fill in the blanks. You please fill these materials like this only in your book. Now we will read the first sentence. We use metals to make nails. Nails here मतलब कीलें. Okay? यहाँ पर nails का मतलब आपके नाखून नहीं है. यहाँ पर nails का मतलब है कीलें. Because metals are strong. तो हम लोग कीलें metal से क्यों बनाते हैं? लोहे से बनाते हैं जिससे कि वो strong रहें. Number B, windows have glass because we can see through glass. क्योंकि हमें glass के आर पार दिखाई पड़ता है, इसलिए हम लोग windows किससे बनाते हैं? Glass से बनाते हैं. So that we can see through glass. C, we use rubber to make balloons because rubber can stretch. You know, balloon में हमको हवा भरनी होती है. We fill air in the balloons and we make balloons with the rubber because when we fill air, it can stretch. That is why, and become bigger. So that is why we make balloons with rubber. Fans have plastic handles because plastic does not get hot easily. आपको पता है जो प्लास्टिक हैंडल होते हैं, हर बर्तन के प्लास्टिक हैंडल बनाए जाते हैं, कुकर के, कढ़ाई के, पैंस के. क्यों बनाए जाते हैं? बिकॉज प्लास्टिक गर्म नहीं होती है जिससे हम उसे पकड़ के गैस पर से उतार सकते हैं. सो दैट इज वाई हैंडल्स आर मेड ऑफ प्लास्टिक बिकॉज दे डू नॉट गेट hot easily. Then E, glass bottles break more easily than plastic bottles. You know, glass bottles can be broken because ग्लास जो है वो टूटने वाला मटेरियल होता है, डेलिकेट मटेरियल होता है और वो जल्दी से टूट जाता है। इट इज easier टू कट वुड देन मेटल्स लाइक आयरन। आयरन मतलब लोहा, लोहे को काटना बहुत मुश्किल है बट वुड को काटा जा सकता है। सो इट इज रिटन इट इज easier टू कट वुड देन मेटल्स लाइक आयरन। Now we will see this next page 42 of this lesson, materials. There is one more exercise. What are these made of? यहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीजें दी हैं. There are so many things given and you have to find out which material is used to make these things. Okay, now we will see the answers. You have to write the answer with pencil like this as I have written. Now number one is sketch pen. You can see this sketch pen is made of plastic. So we will write plastic. We have to write the name of the material. Now this is pencil. Pencil is made of wood. This is rubber bands. Rubber bands are made of rubber. This is bucket. Ya balti. Bucket is made of plastic. Then this is pot, flowering pot. This is made of clay. This is door. Door is made of wood. This is nail cutter. Nail cutter is made of metal. Gloves are made of wool. Rubber or eraser is made of rubber. Then this knife is made of metal. This pot is made of clay. Clay मतलब मिट्टी होती है. Then this is paper clip. Paper clips are made of metal. This is bowl. Bowl is made of glass. Shoes are made of leather. This is cricket bat. Bat is made of wood. And this is grinding stone, जिसको हिंदी में सिलबट्टा कहते हैं. Grinding stone is made of stone. So these are the materials which we have filled here. So children, please fill this in your books as I have shown you. Okay. Now these are the new spellings which have come in this chapter. Now you need to know all these spellings also, because if we give an exam, you should be able to read the questions also. So please learn these spellings also. These are important. And I will see you in the next class. Okay, children, thank you and have a nice day.